Okay, more with the technology of clenching. Let's say that what I wanted was to attach a loop to a board. If I was looking at modern solutions, I can go to the hardware store and get a little D-ring with a metal clip around it, something like that, and that's easy. But that's not exactly what we see in a lot of medieval woodworking applications. And I'm thinking here in particular shields, but certainly not limited to that. Another way to do this is basically to make a staple type of loop. So here I've got a D-ring, just spare hardware I had lying around. And here's a little piece of stainless square rod that I've got. So I'm going to make this just to attach to a couple of random pieces of wood to show you what I'm about. So you can see how it works. I would do this type of thing personally, except like for attaching a strap to a shield to be able to throw it on your back with a nice ring so that it could play and move flexibly and not have hardware sticking out. Any number of different ways you could apply this. Once you get the idea, you'll figure out what you want to use it for. So I'm going to stop this right now so I can set up over here at my vise.